Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about Python part 2. Today we will learn about variables. So what are variables? Variables in Python are things that we use to store data. So I'll give you an example, okay? A equals to 10. Okay, so A over here is the name of the variable and 10 over here is the value of the variable, okay? I'll give you another example. X equals to 5. X is the name of the variable and 5 is the value of the variable. Now, we can give the name of a variable with a word instead of a letter, like number equals to 1000, like that. If you want to print a variable in Python, we don't need to use double quote marks, just enter the name of the variable. In this case, it's A. So we run the module, and as you can see, it printed the value of A. But I want to print, I want to join the name of the variable. I want to join the variable with a text. So it's gonna be like this: the value of A is double quote mark and then A. So for the text, you must use double quote marks, and then for the variable, don't use double quote marks. Okay, let's try running it. Run module. See, it printed the text, which is the value of A is, and then separated with space. After that, it printed the value of A, which is 10, like that. We're going to do the same to the three variables. Ctrl C and then Ctrl V, okay? And then X is X. Enter. The value of number is number. Let's test it. Run module. Okay, it works perfectly. Okay. Now, if you want to give a variable a name which has two words, how do you do it? Like value. You wanted to give the name value Z. What do? Just space and then Z equals to 20. Is it like that? Let's try running it. See, it's error. Why? Because in Python, the name of a variable cannot be spaced by space. Cannot be. You must use underscore, okay, to separate the first word with the second word. You must use underscore. See, it works. If you want to load a variable with numbers at the beginning, like 10 million equals to 10 million, will it work? See, it won't work. Why? Because in variable in Python, numbers cannot be in the beginning. Instead, letters must be in the beginning and number must be in the ending or in the middle. Like million 10, so we replace the number 10 million with million 10. Run it, and it works. Okay, no problem. After that, what if you want to print value Z but without space? Close to 20. Can you do it? Yes, it can. So in Python, if you don't want to use space, you can just combine all the words like that. Now, if you want to change the value of a variable, you can do it like this. I'm just gonna copy this code, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Let's try running it. Okay, here it printed the value of A is 10. Now I wanted to change the value of A into 7, okay? How? Just type A equals to 7. like that, and then do the code again. The value of a is a. Let's run. See, after it printed the value of a is 10, in the bottom the value of a is 7. How? Why did this happen? So in the code we change the value of a to 7. Okay, that's why from this code it printed the value of a is 7. Now I want to make a variable. The name is b. I want to make the value of b equals to the value of a. How do you do it? You do it like b equals to a. So b will always change its value into the value of a. Okay. Now I'm gonna make sure it works. The value of b is b. Okay. Run. It works. Okay. The value of b is 7, and also the value of a is 7, so it has the same value because we inputted this code. Okay, like that. So that's it, guys. That is all for today's video. So on this video we'll learn about variable in Python. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.